Good morning. Here's for a very informal, afternoon, Sunday afternoon greeting. My name is Rick Flynn. I will be teaching this online class, English 101C. I've been teaching it on and off for maybe 15 years or so, closer to 20. And I think it's one of the best classes I can teach because by this time, most of the students are really ready to do very good work. And I can push that work along and really make you stronger writers. My goal of the class is pretty standard. I want to prepare you for the challenges that lie ahead after what will be, for many of you, your final English class. I'll try to focus our instruction on critical reading, critical thinking, and critical writing. I hope by the end of this class you'll have a really strong sense of how to write an essay, how to do all that independent study and critical thinking you need to, and how to shape it into a really solid final response. And I think also you'll like the topic we're going to use. We're going to look at the vast disinformation campaign that's at the heart of challenging the science of global warming. And this campaign is funded by very, very deep pocket fossil fuel industry people. They know exactly what they're doing. They know exactly how to fool people. They know exactly who they want to fool. And I hope by the end of this semester, you'll have a really solid feel for the art of deception that goes into the disinformation campaign. And I think the content's going to be really fun, actually. You'll get to admire how people lie. I think that's always a good thing to do. And I think the reading's interesting. It's very timely. And usually with this topic, people come away happy that they learned so much about this massive disinformation campaign and also, along the way, about the science of climate change. I look forward to teaching you. My main goals are to make you stronger readers, stronger writers, getting you ready for the challenges that lie ahead after your last English class. So, off we go. Class will start in 1 week, and I'm always available via email, Skype by appointment, Zoom sessions, and I respond quickly. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Welcome to the class.